So the third video we are going to do, the third DIY mask we are going to do is for dry and flaky skin. Yes, some people do have dry and flaky skin during summers also. So we have a face pack for those people. So for that we have taken one egg yolk. One egg yolk, you can take that because that fights any kind of flaky skin or dryness skin that you have. The second ingredient that we have taken is 1 spoon of honey. So we have taken 1 spoon of honey, and along with that I've used 1 capsule of vitamin E. Now vitamin E works as a very good ingredient fighting the free radicals which are presented in the air, which do damage our skin and causes the aging factor. That's the one of the most important thing. So I've taken all the ingredients, I've mixed it up in the bowl like so. You can whisk it. I've cleansed my face with the help of this brush. I'll start applying the mask. If you have a very dry skin, you can go for applying the 2 layer of this. The center of the face, completing the forehead, the nose area and the neck. So now this is how your face will look like. It won't smell any good, I know, but we have to give some time, like 15 minutes we can give onto the face, and your face will look something like this. So let's give 15 minutes of time. We'll wash it off with cold water, and we'll make sure that we scrub the face while we are washing up, because this is egg and it is consistent of, getting sticky onto your skin. So nicely scrub your face with your fingers and with water, and splash some cold water onto the face, and let's wait for 15 minutes and we'll see.